what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in a...
Hello lovely people, I welcome you once again to Artist Cafe. My name still remains Kens Motion, your one and only music promoter with elevation. You know what it is? It is what it is. Today in this video I'm going to talk about two great music aggregators. I mean two great music distribution agencies, and that's Distrokid versus CD Baby. So by the time I'm done with this video, you will be able to make right choices as to which of these agencies you should work with. You know, their pricing system, their commission, their split methods, and also, you know, other things that I'll be revealing in this very video. Alright, so let's jump straight to their charging system, starting with Distrokid. You know, Distrokid is one of the biggest companies pertaining to music and a distribution. You know, they've been in the system for a while. And what have been their charges? You know, Distrokid, they take $19.99 every year. You know, their system is in subscription methods. You know, every year you will have to do a renewal. You have to renew each and every year. Alright, so the question is, what if a year comes and an artist doesn't want to renew or continue with Distrokid? What happens to the songs he has already uploaded on the various platforms? Alright, this is how it goes. Once you decide not to continue with Distrokid, you have some charges to pay, okay? And failure to pay those charges, it will involve in getting your songs removed from all those platforms, even though you paid for the subscription, you know. But the subscription comes with extra terms, which is once you decide not to work with them again, there are extra charges that you have to pay for singles and albums. So now you decide not to work with Distrokid. You are supposed to pay $29.99 for each single track you uploaded. So that means almost $30 that. So if you have about 10 singles being uploaded with Distrokid, that means you are going to pay around $300 in order to keep your songs permanent on the various distribution platforms. Now, if you have albums being uploaded, that means you have to budget for $49.99, which is almost $50 for each album. So if you have, like, say 3 albums or 2 albums being distributed with them, that means you have to pay around $100 to $150 respectively. You know, so basically these are some of the criterias, you know, evolving around Distrokid. Okay, CD Baby on the other hand works in a different way. With this, you have to pay upfront fees. You pay upfront charges. There is nothing like, you know, a subscription method. So if you want to upload single tracks, okay, you are expected to pay $9.95, which is $9.95, almost $10. Then if you want to upload an album, you pay $29. And after paying these charges, your songs or your music will be live on the stores for life. You get a vibe? Now let's move to their commission system. You know, when we take Distrokid, they take no commission. Once you follow their stated principles, the aforementioned, you know, you don't pay any other charges. They don't take no commission, so you own 100% of your royalties. Then concerning CD Baby, any amounts you make from your royalties, they take 9% commission. That's respect to CD Baby. Okay, now let's talk about the split system. You know, when we take Distrokid, but before then, let me explain the concept of splits. When you talk about split, it's a system that allows artists or musicians to, split percentages with, producers or other co-artists. So for example, if I recorded a track and I featured an artist like African best rapper Sarkodie and say Kwame Eugene, there could be an agreement that, okay, Sark, I'll be giving you 20% of whatever comes on the digital platforms. Alright, Kwame Eugene, I'll be giving you 10% of whatever I make on the digital platforms. And these things are for life. Okay, then for example, the producer will be taking, say, 5% of whatever comes on the digital platforms. So in total, 35% of whatever comes out of the project I'm doing with them will go to them. You understand? So that is all about the split system. It's a system that allows you, to split percentages or commission with your co-artists, producers, or any other person who is involved in the production of the music. Alright, so when we take Distrokid, they have this system that allows you to do the split system, okay? But with CD Baby, they don't have stuff like that. And I believe they are yet to bring something like that. Alright, the next point that I would like to talk about is the physical distribution. Like, they producing CDs which they will send to, these CD stores, the olden ways of selling CDs, cassettes, and all of that. Distrokid, they don't do stuff like that. They don't do physical distribution. Their works is solely digital. They do only online distribution to various platforms. Okay, but when we take CD Baby, they do physical distribution. But hey, that one is based, is another subscription that you have to indicate whilst you releasing your songs. They don't just do it with their own accord. Alright guys, so I believe this video really helped. By now you should be able to know about the split system. It's a system that helps you, the artists, to to be able to split monies, okay, or to split earnings, royalties amongst 2 or more people on the digital distribution platforms. Alright, then we also know that with Distrokid, they don't take any upfront fees, or they don't take any commissions. But pertaining to CD Baby, they do take upfront fees. Alright, so I believe for now you will be able to make your own decisions, right? The only advice I can give is, with a split system which Distrokid is having, you'll be able to, have a joint business with different people around the world. Yes. Thanks so much for having you here. And please, as I said earlier on, don't forget to subscribe. Your subscription is very necessary. It really helps us. It motivates me to do more. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Artist Cafe. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and all other social platforms at Artist Cafe.